Now, the Chinese government is currently investigating allegations of inhumane treatment being meted out to African nationals, including Ghanaians. That's according to Chinese ambassador to Ghana, Shi Wang. There's been global concerns over forceful evictions allegedly targeted at Africans in China over the past few days. Ambassador Wang said these were very serious allegations and not a matter his home government takes lightly. He was speaking at a short donation ceremony at the Chief Imam's residence today.
Believed that you know, everybody concerned about some African citizens in Guangdong province. The Chinese government attaches great importance to this situation and carry out investigation at its earliest time. Actually, as the pandemic spreads all over the world, there is also a mounting pressure to prevent its resurgence in China, especially for Guangdong province, a major province of opening up in China. This province has comprehensively upgraded its epidemic prevention measures. During this process, some misunderstandings may have occurred. At present, isolated phenomena and occasional cases caused by misunderstanding has properly resolved. This province is working promptly to improve their working method, including but not limited to taking health management measures without differentiation, lifting the health management to Africans except confirmed cases and close contacts, including suspected cases. Unfortunately, some media, especially the social media, are exaggerating the situation, spreading the modified video, which has gone far beyond its original appearance. It is important to note that China has upholding the position and policy that all foreigners are treated equally. In the meantime, China makes a solemn commitment that no one would be discriminated in the process. I want to emphasize that in the battle with the COVID-19 pandemic, China treats African people in China as our own people, and we treat African students in China as our own children. We prioritize the safety of more than 3,000 African students in Hubei province during the high peak of the pandemic.
The Chinese embassy has also re-emphasized its willingness to contribute more aid towards the fight against COVID-19 in Ghana. The embassy donated a number of items to the National Chief Imam Sheikh Nuhu Shaributu's residence here in Accra. Here is the ambassador again, Shi Wang.
China local authorities and companies are also providing assistance to Africa in various ways. A few weeks ago, Mr. Jack Ma, that famous Chinese entrepreneur, donated medical supplies to 54 African countries in Africa. A few days ago, I talked to Mr. Jack Ma. Mr. Jack Ma is my good friend. And we talked over the phone, and I asked him to make more donations to Africa, and he agreed. He told me that the second batch of donation will come very soon.